people, I'm Afrodaybeac and I'm a beauty and lifestyle content creator. I'm pretty sure this is not your first time getting onto one of my videos. So let's get acquainted. How about you click that subscribe button and that notification down below so you don't miss out on anything. We could be friends, you know? So today I come with an already done face. The only thing we're missing is my lips. So I feel like that should give you an idea of what we're doing. We're gonna get to the nitty gritty of it all. So today I'm going to be swatching the Nyma Tang X Dose of Colors lip set. I only got the nude lip set. It comes in this packaging. It's so cute. It says Nyma Tang on it. It has her signature on it. So cute, so chic. I like this packaging because it's not the cheap boxy cardboard. It has more. You hear that? I can't describe what it is, but is it film? Something. Vinyl? I don't know what it is, but I'm excited to try it. It also comes with this little postcard thing with her picture. This is showing the nude set. Please excuse my nails. The nude set, while this one is showing the coral set. Like I said, I only got the nude set. I honestly haven't been excited for a lip product in a hot minute. I feel like for the most part, when you get one, you get them all. They're just constantly remaking lipsticks. I feel like nowadays, now we're going more to the lip glosses, but it's still fairly the same thing. So I was excited about this because it's especially the lip liner in this set. She describes it as a true brown, and I haven't seen that. I don't think I've ever seen a true brown in a lip pencil. So I'm excited to try that, especially because you guys know I go for a more natural look when it goes to my lips. So now that I have a pure brown, no red, no purple, no nothing, I'm super excited to try it. I've also never tried Dose of Colors, so I feel like trying this for the first time will be super awesome. I've never heard anything bad about Dose of Colors. I've heard their pigmentation is on point. They always have the creamiest lipsticks and things like that. So I'm super excited to try it, especially when it comes to the collaboration they have with Nyma Tang. I really wanted to go ahead and support Nyma. I watched her video detailing how the sets came to be, and it turns out she was working on this project for 2 years, pre-COVID. So I already understand all the hard work that goes into something like this, and when it comes to sticking to something like this, especially in the midst of the panoramic, the Pootie Tang, the plasma screen TV, and still getting it done and having a beautiful execution in it all. I just am so happy for her. So I would like to commend her for getting through it and making something in the process. Like I said, I only got the nude lip kit for now. We might get the coral later, I'm not sure. Reason being, that chocolate chip lip liner is calling out for me. It's calling out for me like Mario. Not calling, crying, whatever, but you know what I mean. I really need to try this. Okay, so let me get into the details. This whole lip set retails for $49, which I think is fair for a whole lip set that comes with the lip liner, the liquid matte lipstick, a lip gloss, and a classic lipstick. I haven't used a classic lipstick in a long time, so maybe it might be time to actually try that again. Okay, let's see. Let's go ahead and open her up. I opened her up earlier, but I put it back just for you guys to see what it looked like. And then, okay, it looks like this. So I'm definitely going to be trying everything here, but I already know, just knowing the person that I am, I'm going to be sticking to lip gloss and lip pencils when it comes to any set. That's just my go-to. So, y'all already knew that. Y'all already know the kind of girl that I am. I'm borderline mascara and chapstick. So, what did you think was going to happen? So, first I'm going to go ahead and try the chocolate chip lip liner. Okay, it's one of those lip liners that retract, go back up, go back down. It's not legit pencil. Let's see. Oh wow, it's really pigmented and creamy. That's 1.5 swipes on my hand. I'll pull it in closer for you guys to see it. I'm gonna go ahead and line my lips because we already know that's what's gonna be staying on my lips majority of the video. So, oh my god. Okay, yeah, this is really creamy. There's no tug, at all. This is super creamy, guys. Oh my god. Yes. Oh, okay, yes. Yes. This is giving me chola vibes right now, but that's because it's not blended. But this is definitely a true brown. Like, think of Max Chestnut, but a shade darker without the red in it. This is what I was looking for. Because if you add like a nice little pink into the center, you're set. This is serving attitude. Ooh. Oh my god. You know what, honestly? You could wear this with a gloss, or you just wear it on its own. Like if you blend it enough. Oh, this is perfect. Oh, my lips look so pouty. Ooh. 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 Okay, okay, okay. I think I forgot to tell you guys, this is in the shade Chocolate Chip. It says it right here. So now I'm gonna go ahead and follow up with the lip gloss, just because that's easy to remove when it comes to trying everything on. And the lip gloss shade is E-Gen. I think she said that's it. Is that what it meant? That's it? No. Is that the one that's it? I think it means that's it, but I could be wrong when I was watching her video. Okay. Okay, let's see. Let's go. Oh, it has a scent. She did say that it was gonna probably smell like chai. Oh, this smells good. Ooh, girl. Ooh. Alright, this is it. I think this is gonna be my go-to lipstick. This reminds me of this shade. I think it was called Chocolate Cake that I used to have from Colored Rain, I think, or some company. And I was not able, like, for some reason I could never find it ever again. This is it. This. Ooh, my lips look so good. Ooh, these look good. Ooh. Ooh. This is how I used to always wear my lips. Like, it was a matte lipstick. And I used to always wear my lips like this when I first started doing makeup. We're getting back to her. I live for it. This is so... This is the nude I needed. None of that pink stuff. This is what I needed. It's not giving goth, but it's giving dark enough, like borderline. I live for this. This was the gloss. Okay. It's not matting down, but I will say it's not as glossy as what I'm used to. Like Beauty Supply lip gloss, like thick, chunky, you know? But I still live for it. Oh my god. This pairs so well with the lip liner. Because at first when I applied it, I felt like the lip gloss was a little lighter than the lip pencil, but they just blend so nice. Oh my god. It's gonna hurt to take it off. It really is. But I'm gonna take it off. Next we have the Bullet lipstick in the shade Penny. Like I said earlier, y'all, this does not look how I thought it would look. This looks a lot more mauve-y, pinkish, if anything. I don't know if you guys can see it, but I'll show you. But yeah, I haven't worn a Bullet lipstick in so long, y'all. Like, I don't know why. I think once I got to liquid lipsticks, it was just gone from there. For me, at least. Oh. Okay, this is giving more pink. This is definitely... Hold on. Hold on. This is not what I expected. I thought it was going to be a brown, and then it's obviously a pink. I don't know why I thought that. So this is something you definitely... I definitely have to use the lip liner with. Because right now I'm looking crazy. It's a cute color, but definitely not going to be using it by itself. it. That's it. This is something I would use like more in the center, outer center type of thing. That's more like it. Oof. And then put like a lighter pink, like a brighter pink in the center. Perfect. What do you guys think? I feel like this is such a look, such brats, giving you brats. This lip pencil is still my favorite out of this whole collection. I'll say that. But this, I'll give it like, it's growing on me. It's growing on me because this is like something, it's a different vibe from the lip gloss. It really is. Like the lip gloss is giving me borderline goth, not really. This is giving me like brunch. This is giving me on my way to brunch. And I feel with my outfit, it's really setting the tone. Now all we have left is the liquid matte in the shade Like to See It. So let me go ahead and take this off first. Okay, so here we go with the liquid matte and Like to See It. This looks darker. This looks a lot darker. Oh yeah, this is definitely matte. This is definitely matte compared to the lip gloss. I can see the, like this mattifies so quickly. Oh my god. Perfect. This is perfect. Like, this is going out a night on the town, bar, club, another bar. When, you know, it's safe to go. But y'all, and it mattifies so quickly, and it's not drying. It's not giving me that feeling where you use a matte lip and you feel like your skin's peeling. None of that. It's so comfortable and it looks so good. Okay. Now, here's the issue I have. Nyma, I don't know which one's gonna be second place. I know, regardless, this lip pencil, chocolate chip is number 1. I don't know who's gonna be number 2 because the lip gloss, the matte lip, the bullet just looks so good. Like, oh my god. Y'all, look how nice my lips look. Don't you want to kiss them? But you can't. It's just my hands. But it's like, oh my god. Okay, so my camera cut off. Big disappointment. I was talking to myself, as I usually do. But I just wanted to tell y'all, Nyma, you did that. You did that, girl. Like, you gave what I didn't know needed to be given. Like, I didn't know I needed this, and you gave it to me. So I'm so thankful for it. Appreciate you. Shout out to you for this. Y'all, hop on it. Go to doseofcolors.com right now and go get this lipstick. Like, I'm thinking of getting another set just in case when it runs out. Well, when I finish this, I have another one because this was, ooh, this is such a nice color, and I love the way it feels. Like lip pencil, lip gloss, liquid matte, bullet pencil. I said bullet pencil. Bullet lipstick is what you need for 49 doll hairs. Y'all, it's so cute. Ooh, I might have to reapply though. I need a second swipe on the bottom lip. But this is so nice. Alright guys, thank you guys so much for watching my video and making it all the way to the end. Please be sure to go down below and subscribe and click the notification button so you don't miss out on any of the new videos I bring. Thank you for all the support. I really do appreciate it. And until next time, bye!